Okay, so we're at the Taco Bell drive-thru, so let's order our food, shall we, Polly?
Oh yeah, I'm so hungry, and especially, I wonder if they have honey with it.
I'm sure they do. Okay, here we go. Hello, welcome to Taco Bell. May I take your order, please? Yeah, can I get the, taco with the chicken on top and also with a salad?
Yeah, and can I also have taco? You know, with ham and cheese, and also, can you add honey with it?
Polly, let me do the honor.
Oh, sorry.
Can you repeat that one more time? Yes, I'll have the, taco with the chicken and, with salad and mayonnaise on top. Alright, you go ahead.
Alright, yes. For me, I'll have a taco with, ham and cheese and also honey on top.
Okay? What would you like to drink? Can I get a Coke?
Yeah, and for me, can I, get Dr. Pepper?
Anything else? That will be it. Alright, step up to the next drive-thru, if you please. Alright, thank you so much.
Thank you.
Oh, boy, oh, we can't wait to eat our lunch.
Oh, yeah, I'm starving.
Good thing I have a dog on my shirt. Until I'm gonna give the tacos to my dog, Buster. He'll love it.
Oh, yeah, and I'm gonna have lots of honey together with a taco.
Alright, here you are, gentlemen. Oh, thank you so much. That'll be $3.50. Alright, got it.
Alright, here's the money.
Thank you. Alright, you have a good day, gentlemen. Ah, thank you. You too.
Bye.
We can't wait to have lunch.
Yeah, I'm starving.
So thank you guys so much for watching, and don't forget to subscribe and say hello to the puppeteer. Polly, would you, mind do the outro?
Yeah, sure, absolutely. We will see you next time for more videos coming up real soon.
Until then,
bye now.
Have a nice day. Let's eat lunch, shall we?
Oh yeah, starving.